Hey guys, Wide Body Scat 520 back at you with another video, and as you can see today I got caught out in the rain. I went to Lexington to pick up some golf clubs, and they were not in, they weren't re-gripped yet, and so I left my clubs, and they're going to extend those for me. Guys, I'm a big guy, about 6'5" and a half, and I have to have my clubs adjusted at the purchasing. I would like to get fitted, but my son is the only one that gets fitted in the family. Oh, shoot. But guys, I hope everything's going well for you. I hope you're having a good day. But as you can see, caught in the rain, and man, these Nittos, guys, these 555 R2s do not, and I really do not, like water on a roadway. Man, if I don't go slow, guys, if I'm doing 55 miles an hour right here, we're sliding all over the road. We're probably going to spin out. So I'm going to slow down to about 45. Hopefully we won't run into any puddles or anything like that. And everything will be okay. But guys, do not, I'm telling you, unless you want to take your time driving if you get caught out in the rain, don't buy the Nitto 555. Well, it looks like we're running out of it. Alright, I'll take that. Man, they are absolutely terrible in water, and that's because they are a street competition tire, and they're made more for the strip than they are the highway, than they are driving. And guys, they really hook on the street. They really do. Dropped me 0.2 of a second on the street, a quarter of a mile. Jezabel does what a track prep Scat Pack does on the track. She does it on the street. So, guys, I didn't get a chance to run her at the gapfest. I put her in the car show. I didn't want to, take the car out and then not be judged on things like that. But I should have, because heck, I didn't even win. Didn't win a trophy. I had one of the guys that were giving the trophies out walk up to me and asked me if I had received my trophy yet, and I said, no, I haven't received it. The guy walked up and said, he doesn't get one. I said, oh, okay, thanks. But that's the way it goes, right? That's the way it is. Guys, that's okay. I had a lot more fun meeting Stunner Reese, Demonology, Mod to Fame. Man, those guys made you feel at home. And I'm very thankful to them for what they did for me while I was there, guys. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all the YouTubers coming up and talking to me about Jezabel and Real to Real. Man, he took time out of his busy day, folks, and spoke to me for probably 10 minutes. As you can see in his latest video that dropped yesterday. Man, he's just so nice. And he's such a genuine guy, man. I don't see how I don't understand how anybody can throw any hate to any of those guys. And they are such genuine and nice, good people. They treat you well. And these guys, man, they're busy. When they're at those shows, they are working constantly, man. They're there to make a dollar. They're there to sell products. They're there to sell all their products, to get their footage and things like that, man. They are so busy. And I really appreciate all of them for just taking time out of their day and speaking with me, giving me some shout outs. I want to thank all of them for putting me in their videos. I don't think Demonology made any videos except on track, and I wasn't. I didn't race, but I thank Demonology for stopping and saying hey to me and speaking to me. I really appreciate that, guys. Man, if you get a chance to go, you'll see what I'm saying. You'll be like me, you don't understand how anyone can throw hate toward those guys for anything, because they're just great people, especially Stunner Reese, Real to Real, and Mod to Fame. And those guys, they went out of their way, guys, to speak to me, give me a shout out, those kind of things, put me in the videos. I mean, it's just great. And I will be going to the next YouTuber call out, wherever it is. Me and Jezabel will be packing up and going, guys. I promise you that. I will not miss another one as long as I have this channel going. listening. You know, we're YouTubers. We're one big family. And guys, that's how it should be. That's how society should be. That's how everyone should be. But sadly, things aren't that way. But I'm so happy it's that way with YouTube. Because you can call us that. I'm really thankful for that. I'm thankful for Mod Fame, Technology, and Stunner Reese, Real, taking time out of their day speaking to me, and I'm thankful for people who put on those YouTuber call-outs. Man, I would have loved to have gone to one in Dallas, but next year I will be there. I sure will. I will drive or haul Jezabel if I still have her. Hopefully she'll be a Hellcat man. But if I still have her, we'll be hauled down there, and if I have Hellcat guys, it'll be hauled down there. Back off or Dodge Durango, Hellcat. Whatever we got, we'll be towed, right? Whatever we have, tow it to Dallas. That would be a good time. A lot of fun. So guys, I just wanted to speak with you today. Take a little time out of your day. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my videos, to subscribe to my channel. Thank God I didn't kill that poor little squirrel. But thank you guys. Man, without you guys, me and Jezabel are nothing. We're not out there in the public eye. We're not going to these events. We're not doing these things. So I thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. So much, guys. You just don't know. I really appreciate everything you guys do for me as well. Every day, tune in the channel, commenting on the videos, guys. Please comment on them. It is just to say hi. It breaks that algorithm, guys. It gets my videos out there to be seen by more people, guys. The bigger we get, the bigger the things that I give away are going to be. Guys, don't forget, we're almost, at the time of this video, guys, I think we're around 8 or 9 people away from the 200 subscriber giveaway, which is the JLT Catch Can. Guys, don't forget about that. We do have that coming up. And man, hopefully, you know, by the end of the day, we'll be at 200. I can do that tomorrow. Then we have a flash giveaway on the 15th, guys, for the new t-shirts. We'll be giving away 10 of those. And guys, if you, like I said in the one video with the SRT emblem, if you would rather have that SRT emblem be the first comment on the page, you know, just when you say hello or whatever, when I do the flash giveaway, I'm doing it's the first 10 people that comment on it are the ones that get. When you comment, just tell me then that you would rather have the SRT emblem if no one has asked for it before you. Guys, I will send it to you. Don't care, but I sure don't. But guys, I just wanted to bring you with me today and talk to you a little bit about the Nittos, and thank everyone at the YouTuber call-out for being so nice to me and being just one big family with me. They don't know how much I appreciate it. Guys, you don't know how much I appreciate you. Thank you so much, guys, for subscribing to my channel. I will see you tomorrow. This is Wide Body Scat 520. I'll talk to you later.